Hi there, I hope you're keeping healthy. This is a video on division of single digit numbers. Now imagine you have been asked to divide two numbers like 22 divided by 4. Now, first of all, before we start the division, let's understand what exactly is division. Imagine now 10 divided by 2. The answer we know is 5. What exactly is this? Imagine there are 10 students and you want to divide them into two groups. That means each group will have 5. This is what it means. 10 students into two groups, 5 will be in each group. It's basically grouping, you can understand like that. But sometimes you can't make even groups. Imagine there were 11 students. So what would happen is you can make 5 groups of 2, but then there will be one extra student that would be the remainder. Now similar problem is over here. We will look at this. The actual method is whatever is the number here, you need to know the multiples. Multiples in the sense the times tables, say 4 times 1 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, and so on. If you just know the multiples, that's more than enough. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. Now this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm not going to write 4. It's repeated all the time. So you can see here the number which we have is 22, which is in between these two. As a thumb rule, we must only take numbers which are less than this number. We must consider the multiple which is less than 22. That would be 20. So now, how many times do you have to multiply 4? Is it one time? No. Two times? No. Three? No. Four? No. It is 4 times 5. You need to multiply 4 how many times? 5 times in order to get 20. We can't take the next number 24 because this number which we are considering must be less than the given number. So 22 is somewhere in the middle, so we are considering 20. 4 multiplied by 5 times is 20. So this is it. You write this 20, this is 5, and now you subtract these both minus, and what happens? The answer you get is 2. So whatever is the above term is the quotient. That is the answer. Quotient, Quotient, quotient. And this remaining number is the remainder. Remainder. So these are the answers. It's 5 and 2. As you can see here, 1 second. 4 times 5 would be equal to 50, which is the closest to 22, but it must be less than 22. And now we just subtract them. The answer is 2. This is how we solve it. You can try the next one. Now the quotient over here is 5 and remainder is 2. You can try this problem here. We have 19 divided by 3. You can pause the video and try it because I'll explain it in a while now. So what over here is you need to know the table of 3. If you remember, it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 5 times is 15. 3 6 times is 18. Because if you go more than 6, it's going to be 7. It's 21. That will exceed 19. So you cannot go there. You must stick to 6 itself. 3 6 times is 18. Now subtract these both. The answer is 1. That's your answer. Similarly, you can do one more similar problem. The quotient is 6 here, the remainder is 1. And here we have 49 and 7. So how many times do you have to multiply 7 to get 49, or very close to 49, which should be less than this? Let's see the tables of 7. It's 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. 7 times 7 is 49. So when you multiply 7 times 7, it's 49. And when you subtract these both, the answer is 0. That because 49 take away 49 is 0. and you're remaining with the remainder of 0. Only the quotient is 7 because remainder is 0. So that's how we solve it. The last problem here, you can try this by yourselves. Please try pausing the video and doing it by yourselves. Here we need to know the table of 9. I hope you remember there's a short way to remember the table of 9. 9 starts with 0, 9. And for the next table, all you need to do is increase this number by 1, reduce this by 1. 1 and 8. So add 1 to 1, it will be 2. Minus 1 here, it will be 7. So this is how we can easily remember. So it is over here. Sorry, this will be 6 and this will be, I have written over here a mistake. So I just realized it. It is 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 1 and 9 and 0. Now you can see where is 88? It is just over here, which is between 81 and 90. This is 9 times 9 times 9 and 9 times 10. Don't take 90 because it exceeds 88. You need to take 81 now. So all you do is write 9 times 9 is 81 and subtract here. The answer is 7. The quotient is 9, remainder is 7. And this is how you do division of single numbers.